Welcome to our video presentation on protecting your inbox. Today, we'll discuss the importance of a free email spam checker. What is spam and why should you care? Spam emails waste time and pose threats like phishing and malware, potentially stealing personal data. What is a free email spam checker? A spam checker blocks harmful emails before they reach your inbox, which will ensure reliable and safer communication between sender and the receiver effectively. How spam detection works. Analyzing content, detects spam triggering words. Verifying sender information. Monitoring behavior, flags unusual activity. AI machine learning, enhances accuracy. How does spam hurt you? Waste time, sorting spam lowers productivity. Puts your computer at risk. Malware spreads through malicious emails. Steals personal information. Phishing tricks users into sharing data. Benefits of using a free email spam checker. Organizes inbox, reduces clutter. Saves time, minimizes manual filtering. Enhances security, blocks phishing and malware. Improves email delivery. Features to look for in a spam checker. Easy to use, simple interface. Regular updates, adapts to new threats. Accurate detection. Comprehensive protection, detects various spam types. Types of spam to watch out for. Phishing emails, fraudulent messages stealing data. Shopping scams, fake promotions defrauding users. Fake lottery wins, tricks targeting personal details. How to get started with a free email spam checker. Find a trusted tool. Sign up or download. Follow setup instructions. Adjust settings. Why everyone needs a spam checker. Personal use, protects private data. Business use, enhances security and efficiency. For students, prevents academic emails from getting lost. Visit our website boostinbox.com to learn more.